everyone, welcome back to Horizon Hobbies Thursday Thunder. I'm Kyle, joined by Tom.
Hi guys.
And we have some new quads. I know we've released a lot of new stuff on the quad side of things lately, especially from the Inductrix line with the switch, the brushless. But Tom, let's talk about why exactly we're releasing another Inductrix here.
Yeah, well, this one we've been working on for quite some time. We've been trying to really get down the HD downlink, so something that entry-level people can have a lot of fun with, but they can take a really good video with, and this is our solution for that.
Okay.
It does a 1080p, 60 frames per second,
and
it downlinks
great.
to your cell phone at 720p, which is really nice. It's really in line with a lot of the more higher-end drones, but in a entry-level package.
Okay.
So a lot of fun. $250 out the door, ready to fly. Comes with a radio, charger, battery, and these spiffy goggles.
Oh, it comes with those?
It does, yeah.
Okay, great.
So on the app, which is an iOS or Android app, you can split it into a two-screen mode, whereas you can put the phone into your goggles and have an FPV experience.
Okay.
It's pretty cool.
That's great. And I know we always talk about indoor season because it gets cold here. But that's why we have a lot of drones right now. But is this something you can also do outdoors? Is this, for the people that there really is no indoor season, they can fly outside all the time?
Absolutely, yeah.
Okay,
I mean, it is a micro, so wind can be a factor. But if it's a calm day, it's great flying.
Okay, cool. And then totally durable. You said these are more for entry levels. Is this something that your average Joe can learn on? Or?
Yes.
Okay, great.
Absolutely. Yeah, it's got a altitude hold mode and no acro mode, but an angle mode, so it doesn't let you flip it over at all. And if you do crash it, we have a little demonstration. It's got a mode that
drop it. Oh, it landed.
See, but it is durable.
Oh, come on.
Man.
Don't even need meow mode.
Don't even need it. So we're trying to show off meow mode. So if you flip upside down, and meow mode is what we affectionately call the mode that
flips it over.
Flips it over for you, and it tosses your papers all over the place. So that's something that we've had since the FPV Plus, and we've been putting it into our quads since then, and it works really well.
I think that's great, especially when you have goggles on, because you might be in a totally different room, and you're like, where am I? And rather than having to take your goggles off and go track it down, you can just flip
it. It's great. You can stay on the couch all night. So it is a HD downlink to the phone, and it's really low latency. A lot of people think, HD is going to be kind of latent, but it actually does quite well. Range-wise, the further you get out, you're going to be losing a little bit of latency, but it's really not that bad. I've been flying with it all week, and we've been having a lot of fun with it.
When is it going to be available?
We are looking at mid-November.
Okay.
So hopefully right before the holiday season.
Great. Well, we'll let Tom go. There's going to be plenty of information on these, and I'm sure more videos to come. We should have a live on these as well this week, so make sure you tune into that. We're going to let Tom go, but we have a ton more stuff here this episode, so make sure you stay tuned. We got more coming. Hey everyone, welcome back. We are now joined by Jeff Johns from Axial, and we have something pretty, I don't want to say revolutionary, but kind of the next evolution of the SCX-10-2 platform and kind of moving forward with the kits, I believe, correct?
Correct.
Okay.
Basically, what we have here is an SCX-10-2 raw builder's kit. Okay. And what I mean by raw, it basically comes with no body, wheels, or tires. And that enables then the consumer to put their own taste on the vehicle in regards to their style. They can pick any body that they want to use for the vehicle, wheels and tires. It comes in 3 different wheelbases. It comes at 11.4, 12.0, and then 12.3. The timing on this is ideal for your winter builders. It'll give you an opportunity to go out and buy this particular product at $199.99 and then put your own style into it and build it through the winter period.
Yeah, and so if you're kind of unfamiliar with Axial in general, a lot of the other vehicles are a ready-to-run version, which has kind of everything you need. You just have to supply battery, charger. Correct. This, you have to build it how you want. So you have to put your own ESC, servo, receiver, which is nice for like a guy like me. I have a lot of this stuff already. So you can take some of your old stuff, maybe retire one of your old super scaled-out kits, put it up on the shelf, and build a brand-new, fresh kit just how you want it, new body, new everything. So I think it's a great option for people, having both the kit and the ready-to-run version. And, of course, you get all the, the Axial support, all the parts availability, kind of that whole value that Axial has, and with Horizon Hobby support as well. So was there anything else that we forgot to mention? I think we
that's
covered
it. Yeah.
Perfect. All right, we're going to let Jeff go. We're going to drop in some photos and hopefully a video here. Probably videos of some of the other products as well. For that, I mean, obviously this isn't going to have a particular body or anything, but something for you guys to check out. And stay tuned. We still have more to come. So thanks for staying with us. Hey guys, welcome back. As promised, we have Derek here from ECX, and we have, it looks like a 124 scale Barrage, but kind of a new, unique, different body. Is this the same chassis and everything?
It's a great question, great point as well. So, everybody, a lot of people are familiar with the 24 scale, the current 24 scale Barrage, which is just an incredible product for the price. We wanted to do something a little different. We wanted a little different flavor to the E6 lineup, so we went with more of a Unimog or utility vehicle design. Same chassis that you've come to appreciate with the 24 scale, but we added a new body, and we added another feature that some people are really going to find pretty cool. So you may be able to tell in the video. If not, you can go online. There's a little camera, FPV camera built into this model that allows you to experience FPV as if you were in the driver's seat. So there's two versions available, two colors for each version. I only brought one color for each version today. But there's a non-FPV version that's the same price as the current 24 scale Barrage, $100. And then there's an FPV version that includes a 25 milliwatt FPV camera that includes also a monitor.
So you can I was going to actually ask about that.
Yep, includes a 4.3-inch monitor for $200. So you got your sort of pick your choice here. So you got non-FPV or FPV, two different color variants for each vehicle. It's pretty cool addition to the E6 lineup. I'm really excited about this one.
Yeah, these look like something we can terrorize the office with as well.
You can absolutely terrorize the office. You can terrorize the office. I've been driving around the house with my two puppies. You're a cat guy, so cats. So that works.
And when are these going to be available? Because I know we're getting around to the holiday season. So.
Yeah, these are going to be available mid to late November.
Okay.
So save some of your Christmas shopping for mid to late November to get your hold of one of these bad boys.
Yeah, and so ECX is in-store only. So make
in-store
sure
only, great point.
You swing down to your hobby shop to grab these guys. They should have them. I mean, I can't imagine they're going to want to grab these up. These are super cool looking. And kind of the other cool thing with a lot of people have been doing is you can throw other bodies on these as well.
Yeah,
you're not stuck with this. So.
It's a great point. A lot of people, we see all kinds of stuff on social with people using die-cast bodies, with all, I saw one the other day with a jocked-up oval body, something looked like it was from Mad Max. You can have a lot of fun with these. For the price point, just a lot of fun, a lot of value, and a lot of performance.
Definitely. Well, we'll let Derek go, and we'll still have information on these on the Horizon Hobby website, but for the final purchase, you do have to visit a kind of a brick-and-mortar store.
Yep.
But we'll put the link for these up as well, and I think we've covered everything. We're going to let Derek go, and make sure, obviously, let us know what your thoughts are if you're watching on YouTube. We get a lot of chatter. A lot of people have recommendations. We always get people suggesting new product. We actually do read this stuff, guys.
We do. And sometimes the product comes to fruition.
Yes.
You never know.
And sometimes a lot of stuff you mentioned, we already actually have in the works. So we can't obviously say anything, but keep the suggestions coming. And if you like the video, make sure you subscribe. We've been turning on product videos early, and you just get the most current updated stuff before anyone else. So we'll let you guys go. We'll see you next time, same place, same time here at Horizon Hobby.